In a world where machines never sleep, one nation stands at the edge of tomorrow. Skyscrapers pierce the clouds, glowing with digital life. As an unseen AI orchestrates a city alive with intelligence. This isn't science fiction. This is modern China. Night falls over a vast metropolis, and thousands of lights blink awake on towering skyscrapers. In Shanghai, neon hues dance across the skyline, outlining some of the tallest buildings on Earth. In Shenzhen, a city that rose from quiet fishing villages to a tech megacity in just a few decades, glass high-rises pierce the clouds. Even Beijing, steeped in history, now boasts modern architectural marvels that shine beside ancient palaces. A living contrast of past and future. From above, these cityscapes look like scenes from science fiction, yet this is real. The skyline itself tells a story of ambition: illuminated towers and sky bridges, giant LED screens and colorful spires, all signaling that tomorrow has arrived today. On the streets below, traffic moves with a new rhythm. A sleek bus glides to a stop and opens its doors. There's no driver inside. In special zones of Shenzhen and Beijing, commuters can board robotaxis that navigate busy avenues all on their own. These driverless cars merge seamlessly with normal traffic, guided by AI and an array of sensors. Beneath the city, driverless trains shuttle thousands of passengers across town. It's a glimpse of a future where transportation is effortless. A world where people travel with technology, not just by it. All around the city, robots have quietly become part of the urban scene. An AI service robot cheerily greets visitors and offers directions in multiple languages. At restaurants, robot waiters carry trays of hot food to diners, deftly navigating between tables. These autonomous helpers are no longer novelties. They're simply co-workers and conveniences. Such scenes bring science fiction to life in the middle of the sidewalk, captivating the public and enlivening the streets. Elsewhere, janitor robots scrub floors at midnight, and courier bots trundle through office lobbies delivering packages. In hotels, you might open your door to find a robot concierge has brought up extra towels. Each of these machines is designed to serve, protect, or simply make life a bit easier. They are human-shaped or toy-like, rolling or walking, speaking in gentle, synthesized voices. And while they still sometimes turn heads, they're increasingly just a normal part of daily life in these future-facing cities. Small delivery drones zip between high-rises, carrying food orders or medical supplies across town in minutes. In China's great cities, the vision of tomorrow isn't just theoretical, it's tangible and present. The pace of change has been breathtaking, but for those who call Shanghai, Shenzhen, Beijing, this high-tech reality has become the backdrop of everyday experience. It leaves the rest of the world with a sense of wonder and a question. If this is the present in Asia, what will the future bring for everyone else? One thing is certain. The future isn't something we wait for. It's already unfolding in Asia. We see that the future has quietly arrived, and it's inspiring, immersive, and very much alive all around us.